So French World Cup winner and current Manchester United defender Raphael Varane is complaining that heading the football has damaged his body. He referenced some big games in his career where he played with pain and possible concussion, while expressing doubt that he will live to be 100 years old. And he's crying out for greater protection and awareness of the issue. But you know, I am confused by the statement, as Varane spoke about being concussed, not from heading the football, but by getting knocks in the head outside of heading the ball. So therefore, heading the ball is not the real problem. So maybe the football authorities should look at the concussion protocol and lower the bar. So once a player sustains a head injury, that is it, immediate substitution. And look, this discussion been going for a minute, trending towards tampering with the game of football. Ban heading, soon to ban tackles, or ban the in-step use of kicking the ball, or vigorous and intense running. Because all of these exercises over time could be potentially harmful. So they're going to ban football after all. Ban heading.